want to work in a while and don't know which one you start first, then watch this video till the end. Eat That Frog is based on priority your work. Actually, Brian Tracy said in their book Eat That Frog, the 21 great ways to stop procrastination and get more things done in less time. How you can prioritize your tasks. Suppose, let's say, when you wake up and you have to eat a jar of frogs, and what should you do? The jar contains ugly, small, big, and tadpoles to eat. Then which one you should use or you should eat? You should start with the ugliest one and then tadpoles. That works on your tasks. When you do the hardest tasks of your day, then you can eat that frog and can eliminate the least important tadpoles also. How it works? Let's say you have different types of work to do in your work, and for your work according to your plan, like the task A is the most important task, you should tackle this first. The task B is the task that should tackle in the second most that is the second most important one, and the task C is this is the regular task and you should do after completing task A and B. Task D is the task that is important task and can be delegated to other to do. Task E is the task that is the most unimportant task to do, and that the tadpole one. When you do your tasks according to your priority level, then you will realize how effective when you finish the most important, the ugliest frog. When you do this, then you realize how much time you will get when you finish those important tasks. To know more about it, you can head over to productivityside.com, and thanks for listening and watching this video.